So this is just a quick video on how and where to download fonts for Affinity Photo and how to install them. So first open up Safari and go to tafont.com. So I'm just choosing a random one, so I'm clicking on sci-fi. So I like the look of the Mandalore font, so I'm going to click download on the right. And once it's downloaded, click up here. If it's a zip file, you're going to need to go into the folders. So click it. Once you've opened it, double tap on the zip file. And now go to Affinity Photo. And when you're on the main page, click on the gear icon in the top right. And then click on fonts. And then click the little cloud button. And then click on browse at the bottom. And then downloads. And then click on the font. And then find the one that you want. There's quite a lot of options in this one, so I'm just going to click on the first one. And then you can click the cloud again to install another one, or if not, just click done. And whenever you need the font, click the artistic text tool on the left. And then click art text. And then you can change the size by clicking this. And then click on the left to find the font that you've downloaded. And then if you want, you can change the colour in the colour wheel. And you can change the opacity as well.
Even if the sky is falling down.